Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are fine. So today I will teach you computer science of grade 6, chapter number 2, page number 24 to 26. We will going to discuss about advantages of email. Managing email is easy. Customers' proposal can be answered, revised, stored, and sent to others without reams of paper being used. Email service is fast. Emails are delivered instantly to anyone and anywhere in the world. As compared to national international calls, faxes, and courier services, email is less expensive. Well, students, email is a free tool. Once you are online, there is no further expense that you need to spend on in order to send and receive message. Email is quick. Once you have finished composing a message, sending it is as simple as clicking a button. Email, especially if an email system is integrated into the network, is sent, delivered, and read almost immediately. Email is simple. It is easy to use. Once your account is set up, composing, sending, and receiving messages simple. Also, email allows for the easy and quick access of information and contact. Okay, move to next. How to attach files with email. You can also insert any file or a picture in your message. To do this, follow the given steps. First step is click the attachment option. Well, click on the icon to attach a file. This icon appears as a paperclip symbol in most email programs. After you click on the icon to attach a file, a box will pop up onto your screen. Option number 2 is select the file by clicking on it. Well, browse the information on your computer by clicking on the folder that contains the file that you would like to attach. Then step number 3 is click the open button. Well, when you find the needed file, click on it and then click on open. This will start the process of attaching the file to your outgoing email message. Well, you can see the file being attached in your message. It takes some time to attach the file. The file name appears on a line in the message composition window to indicate the attachment. And step number 4 is finally you can send your email by clicking on send. Well, read the direction on your computer screen. It will most likely say that the file was attached successfully. And then write the text of your email, write the email address, and then click on send. Well, here are some multiple choice questions which are related to your topic. The first one is, a dash is a test used to ensure that the response is generated by a person. Option number 1 is account, option number 2 is email, and option number 3 is captcha. And second one is, to write an email, you will click the dash option. A is inbox, option B is document, and option C is folder. Move to next. To compose a message, you have to dash your account. Option A is sign in, option B is internet, and option C is none of these. Next one is to submit your registration form. you will click dash button. Option A is compose, option B is I accept, and option C is none of these. Well, you will get the answers of these multiple choice questions from this lecture. Okay, move to next. How to reply to a message. You usually respond to an email message you receive. You respond to a message, you need not click the new button. Instead, just clicking the reply button. And then you follow the step number 3. When you click the reply button, the message composition screen appears with the recipient address already filled in. Then you follow the step number 4. Write some message if you want to and click send button. Okay, next one is sign out, log out. After finishing your work, you should close your account by clicking sign out option. If you do not close your account, some other person can use it and read your mails. Well, sign out is also called log out in some email programs. Well, students, I am sure you have understood today's topic. Hopefully, there will be no confusion. And one more important thing, I have a home task for you. So you will solve these questions on your notebook. Question number 1 is, what is use of attachment option? And second one is, write the advantages of email. Third one is, what is the use of sign out button? And fourth one is, write the steps to send a file as an attachment with your email. Well, students, you will get all the answers of these questions from this lecture. And that's the end of my lecture. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.